Have you been meaning to become a content creator, a YouTuber, a TikToker, and lastly, a Facebook content creator? But you kill those mindset because you thought you don't have all the essential gadgets to kickstart the content creation journey. Let me blow your mind away. I'm actually filming this video with my phone and a direct sunlight coming into my room from my window. So guys, you don't need all that to kickstart the content creation journey. You can actually start with what you have. By that, you can start with your phone and get a tripod. It's not even necessary to get a tripod, but for professional reasons, you need to get a tripod. But today, I decided to do it this way. I decided not to use my tripod stand for you to see that you can start with what you actually have. So on today's video, I want to show you guys how I shoot my video from my Snapchat camera. So let's go. Hey guys, this is Leonard with Jays. If today is actually your first time of coming across my video, coming across my channel, you're kindly welcome. Do well to subscribe to this channel because on this channel, we talk really on how to edit your video and shoot your video on your phone without going for all those unaffordable gadgets. So guys, social media is a big space and we all need to make it big out of the social media. So guys, don't forget to give me a follow, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's dive into the main video while we're here. Don't forget to share the video, most especially because social media is a big space and we need to share the love. So bye. Don't tell anybody I told you this. So yeah. So you head over to the Snapchat application on your phone and log into it. By now you might have set the background for your video shooting. So you need to use the normal camera. Don't use any of these filters. So this is how to get it on. You swipe down on your phone screen and toggle on this video effect and toggle on this portrait. Adjust it to your taste. Don't do too much. You don't need to do too much with this aspect. So voila, you're done. With this simple tutorial, you are done. So yeah, these are just what you need to do. Toggle up some button on the phone to get this high quality video on your Snapchat camera. You don't need to do all that. You don't need to do too much. So you can actually start with this. Start with this for iPhone users. So there are a lot of money on social media and people are really cashing out big times. So since it's national cake, you need to take a bite. Take a bite. So by now, if you haven't followed me, subscribe to my channel. Just do that because you just learned something from me. So bye for now and see you in my next video.